This is Manish Khanna, and today I'm going to be showing you an easy New York style cheesecake which is eggless and it's lemon flavored. It's super yummy. It's one of my faves and I'm sure you'll love it. So let's get started. For the lemon baked New York cheesecake, we will be using digestive biscuits, butter, cream cheese, condensed milk, flour, cornflour. I have vanilla essence, lemon rind and lemon juice. I have taken the cookies which I have crushed. I have melted the butter. I will add the melted butter to the cookies and just mix this around till the butter has coated all the cookies. Once this is done, I will line it at the base of the tin. As you can see, the butter is fully mixed well. Now I will take this and put it at the base of the tin. I have put the cookies at the base, and with the spatula I will just press them down till I have a smooth base, all the way through. Just put a little pressure because we want the cookies to stick well, and once I have done this, I have used a 6-inch cake tin and I have put a butter paper down. In case if you have a loose bottom tin, you can use that too and just put the silver foil outside so that the water does not seep in when we bake. Once now you can see the base is done, I will keep this aside while we make the mixture. I have taken the cream cheese and the condensed milk in a container. To this I am adding the vanilla essence, and now using an electric beater I will start beating this. As you can see, it is well incorporated. I will beat till it is nice and fluffy. Once the cream cheese is beaten well, I will put in the cornflour, the flour, the lemon rind and the 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and I will gently mix this till the flour and the lemon juice are fully incorporated and we don't have any lump of the flour inside. Now it is well mixed. I will take the tin and put this mixture into that. Once I've done this, I will just smoothen up the top so that it's quite leveled up on top and not uneven once we've baked it. The lemon cheesecake is baked and we've unmolded it. Now if you want, you can even decorate it on top with a cream border. I'm just taking a little whipped cream and just piping a border on top. If you want, you can decorate it with lemon slices also, or if you want, you can put some chocolate garnishing like how I'm going to be doing. We can just decorate it with a little of these chocolate garnishes to give it a little colorful look. And if we want, we can either put cherries, or we can even put simple chocolate garnishes in different colors, or just plain white or dark as you like it. And it is ready. The lemon cheesecake is ready to be enjoyed. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।